Hey, it's Scott Young here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on whether solo ads are a good traffic option for your business. You've probably seen solo ads pushed in a lot of done-for-you systems, but it may not seem like a lot of the pro affiliate marketers out there are using them. So what is the problem with solo ads? Why aren't the pros really taking advantage of these? Now, solo ads were one of the first traffic methods that I came across when I started my journey in affiliate marketing, and I saw a lot of the testimonials and I saw how easy it was to order up traffic through solo ads and send it through to my sales page. But unfortunately, none of the solo ads traffic that I used, I spent a good amount of money on it, none of it ever translated into profit. And it wasn't until I found the right training and a good mentor that kind of opened my eyes as to why solo ads didn't work and what the real problem with them was. But before we jump into the problem, let's just talk a little bit about what solo ads are. Solo ad is basically just an advertisement on someone else's email list where you are the only thing being advertised in that email. So the solo ad vendor is going to write an enticing email and they're going to include just your link to your capture page in that email. You're going to be the only link in that email that people can click. And the emails keep getting sent to their list until the number of clicks that you ordered is fulfilled. So far, so good, right? Pretty soon, your email subscriber list is filled up with people that have gone through your capture page and have signed up on your list with their email address. And solo ads really are super appealing because you just order and the traffic starts flowing. There's really no work to do to get the traffic. However, there is a huge problem. There's a huge fail with solo ads as I experience, and it's this, that leads that you get from solo ads rarely ever convert into sales. And here's why. Many of these solo ad vendors, they are sending emails to their list 3 or 4 times a day. As they get more orders for clicks, they need to keep sending the email out to their subscribers. And if you can imagine, if you're on one solo ad vendor's list, you're probably on 3 or 4 other solo ad vendors' lists. So these people are getting dozens of emails a day from various solo ad vendors. So the people on these lists are actually exhausted from getting emails. In fact, they're kind of jaded and numb to the whole sales process in general. And sadly, they're rarely ever getting anything of value from these emails, like tutorials or training or tips. It's just one enticing email after another that's just engineered to get them to click. So once they get on your list, this actually results in super low email open rates and then an even lower sales conversion rate below 1%. And what's worse is when you start to email them once or twice a day on your list, it just blends into the dozens of other emails that they're getting every single day. So in the end, the problem with solo ads is that the leads that you get from the solo ads that come into your capture page, into your email autoresponder list, they're of such low quality that it's highly unlikely that you'd ever convert enough of them to sales to even cover the cost of the solo ads themselves. Now, I don't doubt that there are a few people who are able to grind out a profit each month through solo ads. They've really got it down to a science or something. So I'm not saying it's a scam or that it's totally impossible, but going the solo ad route is going to be a very investment heavy and slow process to grind out a profit every single month. And again, the problem is all of these leads are heavily recycled through these solo ad lists, and they're not fresh anymore, and you'll be hard pressed to squeeze any sales out of them. But I've found way more success using specific free traffic methods that actually provide value to my leads and help me develop a relationship with my customers that then leads to conversion rates of around 8 to 10%. If you're interested in how I do this, I'll go ahead and leave a link below this video in the description. It's going to take you to a training and mentorship program that is of super high quality, and it's the one that I'm using to develop a 6-figure income online. Of course, no pressure, and it's totally up to you if you want to go check it out, but it is a really great alternative to using solo ads. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and take care.